ready to go. All right, here we're looking at another great piece of used equipment we got finished up in our service department. It's a Durma model AD R 2060 hydraulic press brake. So it's an 80-inch by 66 ton. This one's equipped with the Willa top hydraulic clamping. Back gauge is CNC X and R axis, manual adjustment of the fingers left and right. Also have the Delum DA58T control on the machine. We're equipped here with safety lights and manual crowning. Your two front support arms, obviously here and included. Touchscreen DA58T control, very intuitive and easy to use. Very easy to program a new product or part. Come in, we give this a product name. I can give it a product description if need be to help better organize your part library, but it's not required. I need to tell it what material thickness I'm using. I can choose one of the materials from the pre-programmed library, which can be added onto, of course, for any of the materials that you're working with. Bending length is the overall width of the part. I can choose if I'm working from inside dimensions or outside dimensions for this particular part. We'll go with outside. I typically work with the standard bend radius and bend allowance. I say accept. Now I literally draw my part right on the screen like I'm working with an iPad. I can come back and clean up any of those dimensions once I've got the profile correct. So if that happened to be my part, I then move over and select my tooling. I'm using the tooling that we've got set up here on the brake today. I can then figure out my bend sequence. So it'll go through and detect any collisions I may or may not have. So across the top here, I'm showing all in green, so I don't have any collisions. This is a good program to run. It also gives me the blank size I need to make now to produce that part based on the tooling and the material thickness. So if I went and cut that material to that size, I can jump into auto. I can have a look at this graphically and say go. And I can start to run that part. Nice advantage to the Wilson Express Rail hydraulic clamping on this machine is that I can very quickly change my setup from one to another between parts if need be. Simply press the button here for the top beam to unclamp the tooling. So now it's all free and loose. I can come in, remove tools, add tools back in place where I need them, and turn the clamping beam right back on. Everything then, once again, clamped and fully seated, ready to go. We've got a 4-way bottom, European bottom die, largest V opening being 50 millimeters or 2 inches. So whether you're shop bending a lot of small parts, this can be a great machine, or if you're a shop that needs to add to their press brake bending department because you've got a bottleneck there, lots of smaller parts waiting on a larger machine to be done, this could be a great addition to help you get more work through the shop. So if you'd like more information on this particular machine or any of the other great equipment we offer, visit our website at empire-machinery.com or give us a call at 1-800-665-8089.